Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? Say goodbye to frantic searches with the amazing Apple AirTag 4-pack. This incredible Bluetooth tracker offers unparalleled peace of mind by helping you find your most important items with ease. Its standout feature is precision finding, which uses ultra-wideband technology to guide you right to your lost item, down to the exact foot. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously simple. Just a one-tap process with your iPhone and you're ready to go in seconds. Plus, with IP67 water and dust resistance, these durable trackers can handle accidental splashes or dusty adventures without a problem. Unlike generic trackers, the AirTag seamlessly integrates with the vast Find My network, leveraging millions of Apple devices worldwide to help locate your belongings even when they're far away. If you're looking for the ultimate solution to keep track of your valuables, check out the Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon, link in the description. Imagine never stressing about a misplaced bag before a trip or a missing remote again. These AirTags make it a reality. For anyone who values their time and wants the best GPS tracker technology available for their electronics and everyday items in 2025, this is a game changer. Don't wait to upgrade your peace of mind. Grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack today via the link below and take control of your possessions.